What's up, guys? It's Jake.
Steve.
From FAST Renovations and GTA Property Partners. Today is day 7 on the job. We are here in the basement. We are doing a couple things here. There's been some serious water damage, as you can see around the room, Steve. The plumbing obviously was done incorrectly. We had our plumbers fix it yesterday and the day before, so everything is good to go. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting the poly about a couple feet up, replacing it with new ones, red taping it, stapling it properly how it should be to code. We also will be framing this. That's why the 2x4s are here. We'll get electricians in. We're going to be putting 4 pot lights in here as well, guys. So stay tuned.
Okay, day 7.
10 minutes, 18 sheets to the basement. Here we go.
All the way around. There's a dimension suck.
The longest way around.
How come Jake has to go backwards?
Huh?
How come Jake has to go
Because
backwards?
he's 28 and I'm 43. 43.
He was 20, I was
43.
You're actually only 42, Steve. Oh!
For this song.
How you feeling? Literally frozen at Balls Falls. Here we go. How you guys feeling? Are you ready? Ready? We weren't kidding. Balls to the wall. Just kidding. Balls Falls. Here we go.
Something big is coming, guys.
Something big is coming and we need to leave.
As if it's on the way to our job site.
It was meant to be.
Here we go, Balls Falls. You're not even on camera. Okay, we're gonna start over.
Welcome. We're trying to find a spot to take a dunk here. We can't
Sit down and roll around and get up. I'm not moving. We're not finding another place for colder water. No, let's go. We're gonna let's go. I'm not even getting paid for your footage.
Here we go, guys.
What is wrong with you? Fire!
That's why you guys hit a dart
In the thing. What is wrong with you?